Tomorrow we won't have nearly as much humidity, so if it does hit 90 degrees, it won't feel as uncomfortable outside. Did hit 90 in Boston today, 91 to be exact, fourth time toppling that 90-degree mark this season. We average 14 times a year, so still have some catching up to do. Now out ahead of a cold front that will be moving across as we speak here from central Mass into eastern Mass. Out ahead of it earlier today, it did spark off some showers and storms, and the most beneficial rains out through Worcester County, many times picking up a quarter to a half an inch of rain. Across eastern Mass, not so lucky, 2 cents on the ground here in the city of Boston. It's not going to do a lot to water the lawns and the gardens out there, but we did get a little bit of rain, and we still have a couple of leftover scattered showers down through far southeastern Mass, southern Bristol County, in toward New Bedford, as well as Plymouth County and over to the Cape and the Islands. But this is it. Dew point levels beginning to lower as the front is through across western Mass. Temperatures still mild, 74 in Boston, 73 in Plymouth. Dew point still at 72 in Boston, so we're still dealing with the high humidity in place, but it does taper off to 68 in Orange and 61 in Albany, New York. So by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, the dew point levels back towards 60 and falling into the 50s for the afternoon, as this low humidity that's across the Great Lakes now does work into southern New England. So we do have a more comfortable heat for tomorrow afternoon, and the weather coming in from the west the next few days. And if you look to the west of us, there's not much going on. So we do enjoy some nice summer weather here to end the week and head into the weekend. Just a slight risk of a passing thunderstorm Saturday afternoon. Again, much of the weekend is going to be dry, and the humidity still in check over the weekend, although that does start to come up as we get into the middle part of next week. 65 to 72 overnight tonight. Any leftover shower across southeastern Mass will be ending, and then mid-80s in the Worcester Hills tomorrow. Close to 90 in Boston, 91 south of the city of Boston, down near Taunton. Brockton, I think, will be about 90, 91 degrees there. So it's hot, but we have that lower humidity going for us, and a very nice beach day tomorrow. If this is in your plans, good for you. A lot of sunshine out there, mid to upper 80s, even at the coastline, because the wind is west, so there's no sea breeze kicking on in. And with the west wind, it's actually a fairly warm wind, even down across the Cape. Lower humidity tomorrow and temperatures into the mid 80s. Can't really ask for better weather here to end July, right? And then head into the first weekend of August. Temperatures still into the lower to middle 80s across the Cape and the Islands. There's a 7-on-7 forecast next week. Next best chance of some widespread scattered storms Monday night into Tuesday with the next front. Behind that front, it does cool off into the lower 80s by Wednesday.